Welcome to Artificial Intelligence, Fundamentals of the Future, a deep dive into the technology reshaping our world. Today, we stand at the threshold of a new era of innovation, driven by one revolutionary force: a world where machines can think, learn, create, and even talk like humans. Welcome to the world of AI. From the smart assistants in your phone to the self-driving cars on the road, AI is rapidly moving from science fiction to everyday reality. But what exactly is artificial intelligence? Let's break down the fundamental. At its core, AI is about building technology that enables computers to simulate the cognitive functions we associate with human minds. This includes the ability to learn from data, solve complex problems, understand natural language, and make decisions independently. AI isn't just one thing. It exists across different levels of capability and purpose. First, we have narrow AI, or weak AI. These systems are designed for single, specific tasks, like your voice assistant, recommendation engines, or customer service chatbots. Next is generative AI, the explosion of tools that can create brand new content, from stunning AI art and videos to original music and detailed written reports. Looking ahead, we aim for artificial general intelligence, or future AI, which would possess cognitive abilities equal to or surpassing humans, leading to advanced humanoid robots. So how do these complex systems actually learn? The answer lies in machine learning. Machine learning is the process where computers learn patterns and make predictions by analyzing vast datasets, constantly improving their accuracy without being explicitly programmed. Think of image recognition, where AI learns to identify objects in photos, or the recommendation systems that know exactly what you want to watch or buy next. AI is no longer confined to laboratories. It's woven into the very fabric of our daily lives. Students use AI for homework, doctors use AI for advanced diagnostics, businesses use it for deep analytics, and smart homes respond to our needs autonomously. Like any powerful technology, AI brings immense benefits, but also raises critical questions about its ethical application. On the positive side, AI offers faster work, enables significant medical breakthroughs, provides incredible new creativity tools, and powers smart automation across industries. However, we must address risks like the proliferation of deepfakes, potential job displacement, serious privacy concerns, and the potential for misuse of powerful AI technologies. The future of AI is not predetermined. It's being built right now through human decisions and collaboration. We are heading towards a future of enhanced human-AI collaboration, transforming education, exploration, and every industry imaginable. AI is not just the future. It is already changing the world. Thank you for learning with us. Learn, create, innovate.